the fish? Can you show mommy the fish? Yes, it's a fish. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, look at all the fish. Yes, look, it's a purple fish. Let's look inside. Oh, it's a nice message from Auntie Shinta, Uncle Matt, and the peanuts. Okay, let's see what they got for you. What's in here? What's in here? What's this? Oh, shoes. You love shoes. Do you want to look at these shoes? Okay. Oh, they're so pretty. Pretty. Oh my goodness. They've got pretty flowers on them. Oh, do you want to try them on? Oh, pull, 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 pull. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know, that was some craziness. Let's put them on your feet. Let's put them. Oh, and they fit you. They fit your fat little feet. Yes, flower. Flower. Yeah, there we go. Oh, they're so nice. And you know what? There's something else in here. What's that? Oh, it's a sticker. Sophie? What's that? Oh, it's a nice kitty. It's such a pretty bib. Oh, funky. It's got a magnet. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's perfect. You got a cat on you. Yay! Can you say, thank you, Auntie Shinta? Hi, Auntie Shinta. Oh, thank you. These are fabulous. Fabulous. Yes, she loves them. Okay, let's say, oops. Daddy's getting a close-up of the shoe. Okay, say, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-byes. Can we blow a kiss? Mwah. Oh, a kiss from mommy. How about a kiss from dad? Mwah. Mwah. No, she's too engrossed with her new shoe. Thank you. Bye-bye.